Hey, welcome back to Chateau Debris, aka my office. Close enough. AKA, also known as my office, my shop. You can find us on the web at acousticbox.com and banjomart.com. That's the direct link to our web store. Should you decide you can't live without these fabulous finger picks or these killer bridges and lots of other things. Anyway, it helps us out quite a bit if you'd patronize us. And what do we have here? Well, this is a 19, I can do it, watch me. It's a 1981 Gold Star, and this is not the original neck. This is a reproduction neck. The original one was broken but working well. But the issue with the other neck was faintly I saw the Louisville Slugger stamp somewhere, and it was huge. The thing was a baseball bat. Now, I have had people say, "No, I like to know that I've got a neck in my hands when I'm." Okay, if you like a big neck, that's fine, but most people don't like a giant wide neck. But if you do, I'm not down on them. But this is much closer to a pre-war spec neck, and they're not tiny; they're proper. They're actually not that tiny. And if you've ever played a Gibson Earl Scruggs model or a J.D. Crowe model from years ago, you're playing pretty close to a pre-war spec neck. So don't let the hangout mess with your knowledge. You go look, you go see, you go feel. Don't let somebody else look, see, feel, think, or hear for you. And that goes for everything. So we did put a wreath pattern on it and engraved the name block wreath. This is an 81 40 hole arch top, but it does have a nice dry, dark, poppy crunch to it. Actually sounds better with this neck. A lot better, and that's disturbing, but it's true. That's just gonna be me, I guess. I'll get it better next time. Anyway, thought you'd like to see something like this. It's something we don't convert a lot of is a Gold Star, but we did this time, and I actually like the way it turned out. I believe the owner's going to be tickled with it. And if you like these videos, head on over to acousticbox.com or head on over to banjomart.com. See what we have to offer. See what information we have over there. And be sure and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell notification. And if you do, you will be the second group of people, us being the first to get notified when we upload these. Y'all have a good day.